Voya.com presents Under 5-Minute Holiday Guide of Varanasi. Varanasi is not just a city. It's a perfect blend of life, death, and everything in between. Known as the spiritual heart of India, this is where pilgrims, seekers, and the curious gather to lose themselves and, oddly enough, find themselves all over again. Imagine watching the sun rise over River Ganga as ancient chants echo around you and the ghats come alive in hues of orange and gold. It's the kind of surreal magic that stays with you. The food here is as iconic as its temples, from spicy chaat to creamy sweets, and shopping is a treasure hunt of intricate silk saris, brass artifacts, and handcrafted souvenirs. Varanasi will captivate all your five senses and linger long after you've left. Best time to visit. March to June offers warm mornings, ideal for boat rides and temple visits, though afternoons can get hot. Monsoon, July to September, brings a lush, rain-washed charm, fewer tourists, and a quieter vibe. Winter, October to February, is the peak season. Cool mornings and the stunning spectacle of Diwali celebrations. Think lights, diyas, vibrant processions, and the enchanting glow of the ghats. Winter's mild weather makes it perfect for exploring the city's spiritual sites and bustling markets. Fun trivia. Did you know Varanasi is one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities? Yep, older than Rome. Must-try marvels. Manikarnika Ghat. Known for its open cremations, it's a place that faces life's end head-on. It's raw, real, and oddly grounding. Boat ride. Catch the sunrise or sunset. Either way, you're in for an unforgettable view of the Ghats. The calm river, the bustling banks, it's the full Varanasi experience. Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Varanasi's beating heart, where energy flows and devotion is intense. The temple's grand architecture and spiritual aura create an experience of awe you simply can't miss. Dashashwamedh Ghat. Every evening, this sacred ghat lights up with the Ganga Aarti, a mesmerizing ritual of hymns, diyas, and pure reverence. A powerful reminder of devotion's timeless beauty. Jantar Mantar. Built by Maharaja Jai Singh II, the structures here are both scientific marvels and artistic wonders, making it a fascinating spot, especially for children curious about the universe. Must-try culinary delights. Kashi Chaat Bhandar. Tangy, spicy, and oh so addictive. From kachoris to tomato chaat, it's all about big flavors and local flair. The chaat checklist. Bati choka, dahi vada, and chura matar. Remember, these aren't just chaats, they're absolute must-tries. Desserts you'll never get enough of. Kesariya doodh in a kulhad, Malio, only in winters. And of course, the legendary Banarsi Pan. Picture-worthy places. Ramnagar Fort. This unique fort sits across the Ganga with a view that feels frozen in time. Lakhaniya Dari Waterfall, a hidden gem best explored early in the morning. Lakhaniya Dari has misty cascades and quiet beauty. Assi Ghat. Whether you're here for the sunrise, morning yoga, or evening lights, Assi Ghat has that calm beauty perfect for capturing. Whom is it for? Varanasi is for the curious, the seekers, the ones who don't mind a bit of beautiful chaos, and those looking to truly feel the heartland of India. Couples will love the romantic boat rides and the shared sense of wonder, and families will find stories around every corner. What should you definitely not do? Don't treat the Ghats like a backdrop for selfies. Engage with the rituals respectfully. And please, no littering. Varanasi may be old, but it deserves every ounce of care we can give. If you found our content informative, do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.